Honorable Prime Minister of India is not supposed to put his photograph on the vaccine certificate of an individual. It is a private document of an individual. I felt it is inappropriate. That is why I filed a case for the removal of Prime Minister's photograph from the vaccine certificate of mine.
Peter Myalaparambil is an RTI activist and Indian National Congress worker based in Kottayam. He wants Prime Minister Modi's picture removed from vaccine certificates. These are some of the personal ID documents that we use in India. There's PAN card, Aadhaar card, but none of them have any political leaders' pictures. But a vaccine certificate does. This is what Peter has a problem with.
Definitely, there is no political interest as such. In Kerala, so many of us had to go to private hospitals and by paying an exorbitant rate, 750 rupees per vaccine. We never expect that we are paying the 750 for getting a photograph of the Prime Minister. We have so many photographs of the Prime Minister in different places, in public places. It's not necessary to have a Prime Minister's photograph on my vaccine certificate or my degree certificate or any other my personal documents.
Having a Prime Minister's photo on vaccine certificate is so unusual that it has caused a few issues for Indians travelling abroad. Even Prime Minister's own party members have criticised it. Peter sees this as an attempt at influencing the elections, be it recently concluded West Bengal elections or the upcoming Uttar Pradesh elections.
There is an argument that Gandhiji's picture is being used in the currency notes. Gandhiji is the father of the nation and he is not entering into active politics and he is not going to affect the electorate. But the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister as well as he is the head of or the national head of the BJP political party and they are very seriously contesting elections and he is campaigning for electioneering. If his picture at no cost, free of cost, if it is put in the private individuals' documents throughout the country, it is inappropriate and it will affect the election.
And the election commissions seem to agree with Peter. But if you're familiar with Prime Minister Modi, you know that he loves being photographed.
If we actually go back and plot all the major high points in Mr. Modi's life, you will find that somehow or the other he's always managed to get into the right photo frame in a very significant manner on all major occasions. So he's always sought the hero's position from a public stage. And that same thing, I think, has continued throughout his political career.
His photos can be found everywhere, from ration bags to email footer. Now, following the poor handling of COVID-19 crisis in India, his image-building exercise has gone up a notch.
This is very paradoxical because the RSS, in it, whose tenets he completely believes in, actually does not give so much of emphasis to the personality. It considers the organization bigger than the personality or a single individual. But here in this case, we have consistently seen since 2014 that it is not projected as a NDA government, but it is projected as a Modi's government, as the government led by a single individual, in which that image of the leader is very carefully not just cultivated, but also publicized by possibly one of the largest PR machineries that is there anywhere in the world.
The picture we see on vaccine certificates seems to be an extension of brand Modi. On Peter's petition, the Kerala High Court has asked the state and central government to respond by October 22. With Arjun Raghunath in Trivandrum, this is Amulya.